pull that, and there you go, the side comes out. We can just put this down. Let's get into the computer. Alright, the first thing you see is the motherboard, which is massive, so I can just go here and take out the RAM if I want to. And the RAM itself is about 256 MB, one RAM stick. So if I leave this here, take out the other one. This is 256 also. So 512 MB of RAM was in this computer. So I'm going to leave this here. The next thing we can take out is probably the hard drive. So if I just do this. Yes, we can see it's 80 gigabytes of storage, I suppose. Okay, we can store this here if we want to. The next thing to look at is probably just the motherboard and see what's on there. How the soldering has been done. Here is probably, I'm presuming, the cooling fan. So to lift this up, you can probably see the cooling fan there. Here we have the optical drive in here. Like I said, if I had the screwdriver, I could probably take it apart. This comes out. Yeah, that's out. There you go, that's out too. Anything else we need to look at? Not really.